Determine the equation of a polynomial that fits the following graphs. So first we're going to look at b, and we know that the leading coefficient has to be positive because the graph rises on the right. So the leading coefficient is going to be positive. Then we're going to write f of x equals a, x plus 2, which we get from the graph, and we do the reverse because we take it out, times x minus 1 squared because the graph bounces off, and then x minus 3. Then we're going to take our y-intercept and put it in. So negative 3 equals a, 0 plus 2 times 0 minus 1 squared times 0 minus 3. That is going to equal negative 3 equals a.
I'm almost done, plan's done.
2 times 1, because negative 1 squared is 1, times negative 3. 2 times 1 times negative 3 equals negative 6. And then we're going to do negative 3 over negative 6 equals a, which equals to 1 over 2 equals a. And now we're going to write it in factored form. So it's f of x equals half x plus 2 x minus 1 squared x minus 3. Now we're going to do d. We see that d rises on the right, so we know that the leading coefficient has to be positive. We're going to write down our equation, which will equal f of x equal a x plus 2 cubed, because this is uneven, x minus 1 squared because it bounces off, and x plus minus 3 squared again because it bounces. Now we're going to replace these numbers with our y-intercept, which is 0 and negative 8. So we're going to write 8 equals a, 0 plus 2 cubed, 0 minus 1 cubed, and 0 minus 3 cubed, which equals 8 equals a, 8, 1, 9. So 8 equals a, 72. Now we're going to bring the 72 over, so 8 over 72 equals a, and that also equals 1 over 9. So now we're going to write it in factor form, which is f of x equals 1 over 9 x plus 2 cubed x minus 1 squared x minus 3